Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. This is 109th video in our PTC Creo Parametric series, where we are covering everything from basic to advanced technique. If you are new here and want to start from beginning, be sure to check out the playlist that we have added in the description of this video. In today's session, we are exploring powerful yet often overlooked tool in style environment, the connection analysis tool that we can easily found here in analysis group. This analysis helps you to evaluate the quality of connection between two entities, whether it is two curve or a curve and surface or two surface. It can be helpful in all such condition. Although we do have other type of analysis tool that can also do the same, but this is, I would say, a very specific toward connection. So here to show you what I did here is I have created these two surfaces and joined them together. So if I hit here on connection analysis, and now if I select, let's say, the curve first, and now here if I try to see the kind of connection that I am forming, so the option here we see is connection type that start from 0 to Z1, Z2 and Z3. Okay, so the first one here is Z0, and then here you can see this type of connection is passed, which can also be represented through this green line. Okay, and as soon as I hit here Z1, here we can see the tendency check failed, which means that the way these both curves, this curve and this curve, have got connection type position, it failed the tendency type connection. This generally happen because of sudden spike in curvature. Now if I go here in display option, and then I'm gonna click on all, and then if I also enable these options here, I think I should be able to see this. Okay, now apart from that, here we can also set up the tolerance. So for example, if I keep 1 degree, which means that I am allowing certain amount of deviation. Now let's try to understand why this failed. Okay, so if I go here in this particular curve and click on edit definition, here we can see for sure this curve is connected to this previous curve, but again if I go here in tangent, I can clearly see that the kind of connection here is the simpler one. Okay, so instead of simply making it a G0 type of connection, if I go here and then choose G1 for example, so we can see that the curve changes path from here, this grayish one, to this one. And now if I hit OK, and again if I go here in connection, and now this time if I select Z0, it already have passed G1. Again here you can see it says tendency check passed. Now let's click on Z2. Now this time here we can see it failed the connection. So in this way guys, it helps us out in understanding the kind of connection we are forming between two curves. And it is not only limited to curve. If I select this time surface here, and now if I select Z0, Z1, we can see here in case of Z0 the connection is passed. And let me again go here and make it, and here you will see in case of Z0 it says position check passed. However, when we clicked here on Z1, obviously we fixed this side, but another side here in this side also the kind of connection we formed is position type or G0 type, which again saw sudden shift in curvature. So that's why it is failing at this point. So again what we can do here in order to fix it, we can go here as well and then can make some improvement in my curve connection. So again let's go here in tangent, and then maybe I'm gonna select here curvature, and then you can also see how our entire surface got updated so that we can make curvature kind of connection here. Now again let's go here and click on connection, and this time again let me select both, and now here I can see G0 is passed, G1 again is failing because of the tangency values are different. Here we have added the tangent type. Now so that is also, I would say, a very important that we apply both side the similar kind of connection. Now again let me select this and hit here, and now again go here in tangent and select curvature. Now let's click OK, and again I'm gonna go here in connection. Now this time let me select on this curve. So here we can see Z0 is passed, G1 is also passed, G2 is also passed. And let me actually select the whole curve again, and let's select the intersection, and here we can see Despite now we have created a G2 type connection at both these curves, still we are seeing it is getting failed. And the reason why this is happening, because both sides we see the curves are different. So if we want to produce something that can easily pass, then probably we also require to change my curve. And the reason why it still fail in case of surfacing, despite we do have got G2 style of curvature at both end, is because we can see here both these curves are entirely different, and then the way are placed. So now since we know that the connection doesn't pass, what we can do here is we can modify our surface or these curves, and by making the necessary changes we can fix this issue. So in this way guys, we can perform this connection type analysis that gonna help us out in analyzing the quality of connection between selected entities. So that's wrap up this session on connection analysis inside style tool in Creo Parametric. I hope this tutorial give you clarity on how to validate the quality of curve and surface connection in your model. If you want to elevate your engineering skills and stay updated with more in-depth tutorial, make sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam. This channel covers variety of topics from core engineering, CAD to project management and beyond. So there is always something valuable to learn. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.